Hello everybody, this is your backend buddy Pratik Mota. So today's topic is, should you learn Golang or is there any future of Golang? So many of new beginner or developer or who is learning Golang must have a question that do we need to learn Golang programming language, or is there any future to learning that, or is it worth to learn it? So I will explain you and give you the direction to get your answer. So you will able to decide, like, do you need to learn Golang or not? So let's begin. So for understanding that you should learn Golang or not, for that you have to ask yourself few questions. Like, are you interested or working in this given area? Like in the backend development, like you are working in the backend development or interested to learn the backend development. Next is DevOps. So you are in the field of DevOps or you are interested in that. Next is open source contribution. So you like to do the open source contributions, or contributing to the Kubernetes, Docker, Operator SDK, a lot of things which are built in the Golang. So if you are interested, then Golang is used in these cases. Next is utility and script creation. So if you are interested to create some scripting or utility for Linux, Windows or Macintosh, then you can also create using the Golang. So in this scenario, if you feel like you will be involved in this area, then you can consider Golang learning will be beneficial for you. For the better understanding, we will understand about the benefits of the Golang. So there are a few benefits, like it's very easy to learn. It has a very less syllabus of syntax, so you can easily learn the Golang. Next is good performance, and it support the concurrency also, and it is also cross-platform, so you can write code for the Windows, Linux and Macintosh in the single language. Next is open source, definitely, because Golang is also open source language, and a lot of open source projects are also using Golang. And it's Golang is a scalable and used for distributed network services as well, and it's a very growing community, and yeah, definitely it's backed by the Google. Now, who is using the Golang? Which companies are using? So first is a Google, definitely, because Google has created the Golang, so they are using for the backend development. Uber is also using for the backend and microservices. Twitch is also using for their video transmission. SoundCloud, then British Broadcast Corporation BBC, Dropbox, Twilio, SandGrids, and lot more. So these companies are using the Golang for their products. So popular projects which are built in the Golang, which is Kubernetes, everyone know, like Kubernetes is built in the Golang. Next is a Docker, CockroachDB, Hugo, Core DNS, and lot more. So these are the popular projects which are built in the Golang. Now if you take a look for the GitHub repository of Golang, then you will able to find that like 107k stars are available and 15.7k forks are available. So it's a quite popular repository. And if you see the Google trends for the Golang, so from the 2004 to current year, then it's slowly growing. If you see in the 2020, it was a little bit decreased, and again it increased spike. So as a general trend, it's growing continuously. So definitely in the future it will be grow, because in the backend nowadays, for the performance perspective, Golang is used many places, and they are preferring Golang for the performance perspective. So this data can be changed based on the time. So yeah, definitely if you are backend developer or DevOps or script utility or in the open source, then you can definitely consider Golang as learning options, and it will be definitely helpful for your career as well. So are you ready for Golang? So let's go. And if you like my videos or this informations, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press on the bell icon, because I will share all the Golang and the backend related information on this channel. And if you have any suggestions or topics to learn about the Golang and the backend, then definitely write on the comment, and I will definitely try to provide you that information. So thank you very much.